COVID-19 driving schools return. To ensure all students are safe to commence driving lessons. 1. 24 hours before lesson, please fill out form and return. 2. Wash hands before attending lesson according to procedure. 3. Driving instructor will take temperature. Greater than 37.9, lesson will not commence. 4. Sanitize hands. 5. Put on gloves. Can be provided if required. 6. Put on face mask. Can be provided if required. 7. Make payment via card reader. Accepts credit, debit, Apple Pay, Google Pay, other bank transfers. Cash only correct amount and will be placed in bag. Lessons will start and we will be safe to go. www.localhiving-school.co.uk. Telephone 01388 608 910. WhatsApp 07842 202 077. Mobile 078 422 02077.